ScreenPad apps are powerful and expandable tools that help you work and play. ScreenPad also gives you a new way to work and interact with your Windows apps. The Launcher app gives you instant access to standard Windows applications on your laptop. ScreenPad apps are dedicated plugins that appear in the ScreenPad toolbar and run in the ScreenPad display. The list of ScreenPad apps from ASUS and other developers is growing all the time. To see all the available ScreenPad apps, open the All Apps list in Windows and look under S. You can find more information about any app in the Windows Store. When new ScreenPad or ScreenPad app updates are available in the Windows Store, a new symbol appears on the ScreenPad settings icon at the far right of the ScreenPad toolbar. ScreenPad and ScreenPad app updates will be installed automatically. In ScreenPad settings, click Get More Apps to see what new apps are available on the Windows Store. You can also discover new ScreenPad apps via the ASUS Giftbox service on your laptop. It'll detect your ScreenPad-enabled laptop and show you new and recommended ScreenPad apps. Clicking on a suggested link in Giftbox will take you to the Windows Store, where you can download and install the app. Once the download is complete, you can check the newly installed app on the ScreenPad toolbar. You can change what apps are displayed by clicking Customize Toolbar in the ScreenPad settings. If you're a software developer, check out the ScreenPad SDK website. You'll find all the development resources you need to help you create your own ScreenPad apps and extensions, including the SDK, white papers, and guidelines. We welcome anyone with an interest in developing for ScreenPad. Sign up now and join in the discussion.